The growing demand for outdoor living spaces is driven by a combination of lifestyle changes and increased awareness of the benefits of spending time outdoors. Homeowners and property developers are investing heavily in creating and enhancing outdoor areas to meet their needs. Let's hear from the experts at RL Landscaping on how they can help transform your space.
A big reason why you would want to hire a landscape professional, we can manage what you need done. A lot of people don't have that vision, or they don't have the understanding of what needs to be done in an outdoor landscape. We are the professionals. We've done it for years. We understand certain situations that are going to arise during a big construction project, and we know how to handle changing things around that will enhance your project versus you just finishing it off and it not looking as good as you imagined it would. We're here today at one of my favorite projects that we just completed. Exchange Place Alliance Group is a group that helped put this park together and enhance it. We're here in Jersey City. We did all this project here that you can see behind me. It took almost a year to complete. There was a lot of challenges between drainage work, grading work, installing irrigation, installing the plants, working with the town, the city, and the Exchange Place Alliance. We got this done.
What sets us apart from everybody else is that we come out, we assess the situation, we listen to the customer, we get their opinions, what they're looking for, and then we develop a plan, whether it's from a maintenance standpoint, from a pruning standpoint, to a landscape or a hardscape standpoint. And then we move forward, we come up with a design, we sit with the homeowner or commercial account again, and we go over the plan. We are a one-stop shop. We go from maintenance to irrigation, to lawn care, to tree work, to full landscape design, hardscape, and snow plowing.
With customers, we basically want to talk about soil health more than anything. Anybody can grow grass, we can put in new plants, we can put in new ornamentals, but it all starts with the soil. So by establishing a proper pH, by taking soil tests, we get a good baseline to start from, and then from there, we look at the proper plants, what's going to grow the best in that environment. If it's particularly shady, we look at maybe an approach to trimming some of the trees to let some filtered sunlight in. We look for an environmentally friendly approach. So when we can limit our chemical use, when we can use stuff that will benefit our pollinators, we always lean that way. Basically, when we walk onto a lawn, we're looking to take care of it from the water that's applied, the chemicals that are used, the desire for the homeowner to be able to use their property.
There's a lot of variables when it comes to working with irrigation. You're trying to put the right irrigation in the right location where you're not going to waste water and try and conserve as much water as possible. On a commercial sense, this property we did drip irrigation. Drip irrigation at this location is better suited. The one, you have the wind being on next to the water, you have a lot of people traffic walking through, so you don't want to put water where it's going to be in somebody's way or mist away. So you want to just keep it where the water needs to go without wasting any water.
I come every time when the ore guy finishes the job. I'm coming back to look if everything's all right, if it looks nice, and I talk to the customer when they need to be change the flowers. I explain to the customer when is the time to prune those bushes, and I explain them what to do and make sure everything looks perfect.
Future plans for RL Landscaping in our group, we would like to do more of these projects. This really challenges us, and this is what really brings us together and sets us apart from other landscape companies. Small projects are something that we do, but we really love to take on these challenges that help us in the future.
Our experience working with RL Landscaping has been amazing. They've been a wonderful partner for this project. In the field, day to day, RL has been by our side, just kind of helping us win the battle out here and really helping us achieve a plaza that we're very proud of and we know that Jersey City is proud of.
Any residential projects, small to large, we handle, and we love doing that as well because we love working one-on-one with the consumer. As proud as I am of this work that we've done, we know where we started. Outdoor kitchens, patios, landscape, irrigation, all that type of work. We handle it all. We love working with the customer. That's how we built our relationship, and we don't mind staying there.
If you're ready to create your outdoor oasis, visit RLLandscaping.com and, of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.